Hello friends, welcome to Pixel Design Arts, and today we are going to see the new topic called how to change black and white image to colored image and colored image to black and white image. This is called as color restoration. So here we go. So we have this image right here and see. So first of all, I am going to tell you how to change the colored image to black and white. So we have this original image with the colored image, you can see right here, right? And see, the shortcut to change the colored image to black and white is Control Shift U. That is called as to desaturate the image. And here, so go here, apply Control Shift U. So this is what to desaturate, means the image is desaturated, color is null right here, and here you can see the whole image become a black and white. So this is the one way how you can get a black and white image. Now I am telling you how to retrieve the original color. So Y is a shortcut, Y, and here it is called as history brush tool Y. So here you can try out. So just apply this Y over the image and your image original color will come out. See guys, corrector. So control here minus for zoom out and see guys what is happening here. So original color is coming back, corrector. So this is the one way how we can retrieve the black and white image to colored image. Okay, now another thing is that how to work with how to change the color of this thing. Okay, so as you can see our thumbnail, how to change the black and white image to colored image. So another way, this is one way. Then we have Control Shift U, desaturate. So another way where what we can do here, see guys, suppose here I am trying over the face. So face, just select the face by using the lasso tool. So I am selecting here all lasso tool by using the lasso tool. Okay, I have selected here. Okay, there is little mistake, we can correct it, that's no issue. But here we have selected face. Now what, just minimize eyes part or teeth part from your selection, otherwise that will also get changed. So here you can use the subtraction tool, corrector, subtraction tool to save the teeth part from colored one, and this eyes part I am selecting because I don't want eyes to get color. It is black and white is good only. This eyes part I got here is the selection, that is subtract from selection. Okay, number 2 tool, that is the number 3 tool, lasso tool. I am using a lasso tool for selection with the third one, subtract from selection. So again eyebrows are here, so we can also work on eyebrows to subtract eyebrows from the whole selection. And here I am selecting corrector by using the last tool. Here it is done. Now what you have to do is apply Control B, color balance, that is called as color balance. Okay, see guys, Control Shift U to desaturate the image and Control B is a color balance. So here we go, color balance, and here just apply a little red color as per your requirement and see the changes over the face. Okay, and see guys, this is how you can work with how you can change the image. Okay, this is the change. I have only selected this image and this is changed. Now we have to take care about this part, eyebrows, eyes, teeth, to make the proper color. Okay, now it is a deselected only, it is deselected, it is subtracted from the original one, so it is look like this. But this is how you can change anything. Thank you for watching my video friends. If you do like my video, please do comment, like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any query about my videos, then please comment below. I will be there to solve it out. Thank you. Stay connected. Bye.